All right, sorry, excuse the different video quality. We're using the wife's Sony phone now. Anyways, this is not RoboCop. This is a New Order Stormtrooper. And I talk. And what's that in Japanese? I mean, French?
Je parle.
Which means, I guess I talk.
Yes, it does.
Sounds like the guy from Family Guy. The guy in the wheelchair. What's his name?
Oh, gosh. Of course you had to do that to me, didn't you?
Right.
Peter. No, Peter. I don't know. Skip.
Yep, all right.
Put down your weapons.
It does sound like him, though.
Put down your weapons.
Let's go. Drop the weapons. Now, we're taking you into custody. Put down your weapons.
Joe. Sounds like
Yes,
Joe
thank
from
you.
Family Guy.
Joe.
Let's go.
Oh! Okay, good. That
Done.
one's out of the way. Done. Downtown Abbey.
How did that get there?
It's random. So it's. I'm looking at this. I guess it's some sort of like diary, stationery book, address book. It doesn't tell you. The bag's not a toy though. Don't play with it.
But I want to.
I was gonna plan on breathing heavily into it, but I think that they say that suffocation could happen with that. So don't do that. It's all bad. All right.
Darn it.
Next thing. What? Salt and pepper shakers that are a skull, and that's kind of interesting.
Tombstone?
I don't know if I'm with the whole dead on my table kind of.
Dead on my table. Well, you do have dead animals on your table.
Well, they're tasty dead things. Those just supplied taste to the dead tasty things on my table. All right, and then it looks like, okay, cool. Let's see. We got some sort of sippy cup.
Sippy cup?
What? I don't even want to know what this is.
Let me see.
BPA. Yeah, you're the YouTube queen. You know what.
Well, I'm trying to figure that out. That looks like some kind of anime. Possibly.
All right, guys.
Does it say?
I'm completely drawing a blank on this.
Pokemon.
How would I know? Oh, this was like 5th, 6th, 8th generation. Oh, okay.
Has to be.
I don't know. Guys, tell me what these are.
Help.
Help. HALP. All right. That goes aside. All right. Looks like there's 2 more items in this box. Horror blocks. I know who wants that.
You do?
Michael.
Yeah. My brother Michael would like that.
Where do you come from? Horror block keychain.
Apparently it's just a random,
Right.
like, scary
Horror black
item.
block keychain, nickel plated.
I wonder, can you actually use that to kill people?
You know, I don't think the edges.
Looks like they're kind of sharp, though. You might be able to cut stuff with it.
Can you sneak into a con? I got this at a con. Why are you taking it away from me? You gave me a sharp object in a box. You know what? I'm done with that one. All right, next item. What the? Huh?
What is that?
Oh,
Space Invaders.
okay. All right.
Mini alien vinyl figures.
All right, so this is obviously one of those blind boxes.
Yes.
And I'm going to do this in another video because it's a blind box. Just kidding. I'm going to open this thing right up right now.
Oh no, why did you do that? Better be blue. Blue's my favorite color. Come on, blue.
Assistance, please. Now the top tear. Yay! Love it when you're part of the
It's
team.
green! That is not my favorite color, Jason. What kind of crap is that?
Yeah, I don't know if I really like that. But, you know, hey, it's cool. And if you hold it up against the... I don't know.
If you hold it up against the I don't know,
Oh, yeah.
where is the I don't know?
Trying to go like this against the back, but you can't see the lighting of the thing because
It's too weird.
it's kind of like the chicken we have on our roof, in the ceiling.
Why is there a chicken on the roof?
Why is he watching over the dog?
This is creepy.
Ah! All right, guys. So that's the unboxing of all the crap. Well, at least this one. Go watch the other video where I
Open some more crap.
right. Opening crap's always fun.
Wee.
So tomorrow we go back to Silicon Valley Comic-Con to once again try and
Attempt number 2.
obtain the signature of the man, the legend, the Marvel, the guy.
The main guy.
Now,